Hi guys, welcome to this particular operating system, which is based on the ISO of ArcoLinux XS 240104. I've chosen to have a system deboot, and we have in this particular system 1 GB of free. You'll see that maybe you'll need it. So the new releases have more boot EFI free. We used to have 300, and because of the make init CPO that's coming from ArcoLinux, I've made it bigger. We'll see if we can make it smaller again in the next releases. Topic of this video is conkeys. Conkeys, right? Maybe you've noticed, maybe, right? But we have on our system something called conky-lua-archers. And conky-lua-archers is installed on our system if you want to have a conky, and by default there is always something, most likely on tiling window managers, to have these key bindings, how to start something, how to exit, etc. So as you see, the package is no longer on the AUR, right? It's still working just fine because Super C gives me this beautiful conky, which now will show you the rings, right? And the rings is the thing that, well, makes it a little bit nicer and makes it alive, and it's basically Lua. So the thing is, the problem is there a problem? At this point in time, there is no problem. The package that we have provides us a conky. Will there be a problem in the future? Well, we must anticipate that. Is there something alternative? Does the world end with conkeys at this point in time, right? So that's a question I asked myself this morning, and I said, what is out there? And I've made a new packages on a repo. There is corky, there is conky-lua-archers, and that's the old one. That's not it's gone now on the AUR. I've built that one as well, so I can test it later on the Wayland. And these guys are our conkeys. So can we still use our conkeys if this conky-lua-archer stops working? So test with me. There is corky that I've been playing around with and testing. So what if, right? What if everything fails? So sudo pacman -r. The guys who want to test with me, and the other guys say whatever, right? Conky-lua-archers is gone, meaning Super C, there is no conky anymore. So I have to replace it with something. Sudo pacman -s corky, for example. Now corky needs Lua, it needs conky-lua-archers, and voila. Now we know the dependencies, and Super C, wait for it. This seems to be working, right? So let's test this out for the coming weeks and see if we can, well, remove conky-lua-archers from our repo then in a few weeks or months, or we'll see. Control-Alt page down, Control-Alt page up, right? Will give you the, well, it goes over the list of all the conkeys that we have, and let's hope everything works with this particular set of packages. So we have to wait sometimes for all the drawings to be designed. It's Lua, right? It really draws circles and all kinds of things on your screen. This is weather, and weather is always breaking. whatever you do, it's always breaking. Go to the internet and see, or maybe open the curtains and look outside. Anyway, right? This seems to be working. Let's wait for that to happen. Some of the things are looking okay. Some of the things needs a little bit fixing, I see. But this is Lua, right? It's not a conky, and it needs support for it. This one as well, another weather thing, weather things, right? The APIs break, or they understand that it's part of a conky and they start blocking things, and it's like that. It's really isn't matter. It's not important. And if you are if you want to know weather, then you do this. The weather in Antwerp is this. Oops, weather probably written wrong. Weather, is that it? So sudo background. This is XS, right? No fun to be had on XS. You have to install everything. Weather, I think it's written like this. And this is my system to go to know what weather is it without opening the curtains. All right, you make this bigger and you say, okay, rain, 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 rain. Cool. We have a drizzle. Okay, so be my guest. Try out with me this new conky thing, new conky applications. It's the same old conkies, but it's a new app that should show you. Oh, that's a nice one, right? It's 9:25, just so you know. And there you go. Have fun. All right, cheers.